something coming over me, and I think it might be that little four-letter word. Don't know how I got it so bad for you. Guess I never learned how to play it cool. I know people wanna say it's a honeymoon.
This is Illuminate!
I think it's love that I'm feeling, like I finally found my one in a million. I could jump through the ceiling, 'cause I've never been so sure it's the real thing. Must be love. Must be love.
A very clear voice telling us, prepare the way of the Lord, make straight His paths. But what is John the Baptist trying to tell us when he told us, prepare the way of the Lord? Madaling sabihin, maghanda pag Pasko. But carefully, we have to qualify His command to prepare. Notably, our gospel tells us, ang pangangaral ni Juan Bautista, saan po nangyari? Sa disyerto, in the wilderness. And what does it tell us? Ang disyerto, lugar ng katahimikan. At sa katahimikan, sundin natin ang Diyos sa pamamagitan ng pagbubunga ng ating pagbabalik loob sa Kanya. Nawa ang pamayanang ito ng St. Paul University ay maging tunay na handa. Hindi lang panlabas, kundi sa puso't kalooban, kung saan sisilang si Jesus ang salitang nagkatawang tao. Amen.
Let us begin the countdown. So illuminate 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Illuminate 8!